Extracting the square root can occur anytime you have just a single x squared value. Okay, so if you only have one variable term and it's a square, you can solve your equation by extracting the square root. Okay, in order to do that, what you would look to do is you'd look to completely isolate the variable. Okay, so whatever the term is that contains your variable, get that completely by itself. So here we would add 1 to both sides. Okay, we then divide by 9, and you get x squared is equal to 1 over 9. So we completely isolated this variable. What you're then going to do is you're going to extract that square root. When you extract a square root, it just means that you take the square root of both sides of your equation, and that's going to solve your answer or solve the problem. The one thing you need to understand if you do extract the square root is you need to take into account both the positive and negative root. Okay, so if you are going to extract the square root, you have to understand extracting a square root requires you to take both the positive and negative of the square root of 1, which is 1, over the square root of 9, which is 3. So you wind up with two answers here, negative 1/3 and positive 1/3. Again, write it from the least to the greatest. And after doing this, again, if you get an opportunity to check your solutions, it's always a good idea.